Bitcoin prices are down with about 7.5% from yesterday's high in what looks to be the first stronger wave of profit taking we have seen here since the price bottomed out here on September 29th. And this is rather typical because we did breach a new all-time high, so people are using this enthusiasm around Bitcoin to offload their positions. However, though, typically from this point all the way to the end of the year, we tend to see higher prices on average with about 50%. So it does make sense to remain long as well. We have this pattern, this ascending triangle pattern, which we talked about a couple of weeks ago, has a target of around 78,000. And there's some long-term fundamental models that people use that predict that the price should be around $100,000 as well. So the outlook remains long-term bullish. However, in the short term, if you look here at funding costs, then funding cost, the blue line, is actually higher than we saw in September. And in September, when we were around these levels in funding cost, the price of Bitcoin did slide from about $52,000 all the way down to $40,000. So that's about a slide of 25-26%. So if the same thing would happen, then we would effectively move back to around $50,000 a coin and pretty much be back around the breakup point of this pattern. But the long-term trend would remain intact. So if we would have a slide like that, then I still think people would be buying.